Assalamu alaikum, good day everyone. So today I will be solving case in point 2.2. So in this problem, or in this case, we have three problems. The first is, what is the concentration of the infusion on a mcg/ml basis? So gusto nga i-convert ito into mcg per ml. Ang second problem naman, sabi niya, how many milligrams of dopamine is the patient to receive in the first hour of treatment? So, how many milligrams in the first hour? Ang third problem naman, sabi niya, how long will the infusion last? How long it will last? So, let's go with the problems one by one. So, problem 1, i-convert lang natin yung 400 milligrams per 25 ml into micrograms per ml. So, in order to do that, let's do what we did in the last lectures. So, 400 milligrams times the fraction, then dito sa baba ang milligrams, sa taas naman yung grams, then times na naman fraction, kasi i-convert natin siya into micrograms, kaya micrograms sa taas, ang gram naman sa baba. Then saan ang malaki dito? It is the grams, kaya dito ang 1, dito naman ang 1 kasi ang grams ang malaki. Tapos yung tawag dito, ilan milligrams sa loob ng isang gram? 1 gram is 1000 or 10/3. Dito naman yung mcg is nialaman nga sa ano, or ang ilan mcg sa loob ng isang 1 gram is 1 million or 10/6. So let's proceed with the mathematics. The mg will be cancelled out with mg, g with g. Then yung 10/6 divided by 10/3 will be equal to 10/3. Ito naman ma-cancel out na siya. Then will be left out with 400 times 1000, which will be equal to 400,000, and our unit is micrograms. Ito is per 250 ml. Pero ang sabi nga sa question, gusto nga in mcg/ml. So ayaw nga 500, gusto nga 1 ml lang. Kaya ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin ang 400,000 by 250. So 400,000 divided by 250 will be equal to 1,600 mcg per milliliter. So dito na ang solution ng problem 1. So dito na tayo sa problem 2. Sabi nga milligrams in the first hour. So how many milligrams in the first hour? So in order to do that, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin itong given, which is 500 micrograms per minute. 500 micrograms per minute. Then yung gagamitin natin dito is proportion. So ang gusto nga kung ilan grams siya per minute. So in order to do that, before we do the proportion, kailangan ito maging milligrams siya, kasi yung sabi nga milligrams in the first hour. So i-convert mo natin yung 500 micrograms into milligrams. So 500 mcg, then times the fraction mcg, gram, then 1 gram. Ilan ang mcg sa isang gram is 1 million. Then na naman, kasi convert natin siya into milligrams. So dito ang milligrams, dito ang gram. Then ang pinakamalaki is grams. Then ilan ang mg sa isang 1 gram is 1,000. So ganito lang, i-convert natin siya. So let's proceed with the mathematics. mcg will be cancelled out with mcg, then g will be cancelled out with g. Then yung 10 over 3 will be divided by 10 over 6. So ma-cancel out na siya. Tapos ito maging 10 over 3 na lang siya. So we'll be left out with 500 divided by 1000. So it will be equal to 0.5. 0.5. Then the unit is milligram. So let's proceed with the proportion. So 0.5 milligram. Tapos 1 minute. Dito naman hindi natin alam kung ilan milligram, kaya x na siya, x milligram. Tapos dito naman yung minutes will be 60 minutes. Bakit 60 minutes? Kasi sabi nga in 1 hour or in the first hour. So tawag dito, gawa na tayo ng proportion. So ito times this, then ito naman times this. Will be left out with x equals 0.5 times 60, and the result will be 30, and the unit will be milligrams. So we'll be left out with 50 milligrams. So that will be in the first hour. Kaya susulat natin per hour 30 milligrams per hour. So tapos na tayo sa number 1 and number 2. Dito na tayo sa number 3. So number 3, ang sabi nga, how long will the infusion last? So in order to find this, parang proportion din ang gagamitin natin. So ang sabi natin, no, 500 micrograms per minute yun, no? Per minute. Pero sabi daw niya how long it will last. Gusto niya malaman kung ilan hours yun mag-last. So gagawin din natin dito is proportion. So yung kanina na hanap natin dito, which is 400 micrograms, or ito na siya, 400 milligrams. Ito ang drug meron sa atin. So ang 400 milligrams, ilan siya how long it will last if we infused it with this rate. So ang gagawin natin, ilalagay natin yung 400,000 micrograms per x minute. So ganito siya isa-solve. So ang gagawin natin proportion lang. So ito will be times this, then ito naman will be multiplied with this. So we'll be left out with 500x, which equal to 400,000. So i-divide natin on both sides by 500. This will be cancelled out of this. Then yung 400,000 will be divided by 500, and we will have 800. So ano ang unit niya? 800 minutes. So i-convert natin siya into hours. So in order to convert it into hours, times fraction, ang minute dito sa baba para ma-cancel out siya, ang hours naman sa taas. Then saan ang pinakamalaki is hours. So dito ang 1. Sa baba naman is how many minutes inside an 1 hours is 60. So let's proceed with the mathematics. Minutes will be cancelled out with minutes. Then yung 80 will be divided by 60. So or yung 800 will be divided by 60. So 800 divided by 60 is equal to 13 point maraming 3. Sabihin ko na lang 13.3. Then the unit is hours, or 13 hours and 20 minutes. Kasi yung 0.3 is 20 minutes man yun. Kasi that's a 1/3 of an hour, which is 20 minutes. So here's our solution for number 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.